Tom Fitton is with us this morning. Trump's lawyers believe the judge could impose a gag order on Trump. If he violates that gag order, the penalty will be, what, 30 days in jail, a $1,000 fine. But if there's a gag order, doesn't this deny free speech in a presidential campaign, Tom Fitton?
Oh, it would be abuse on top of abuse, in my view, of President Trump's First Amendment rights. You know, when a judge imposes a gag order, he's supposed to weigh, these First Amendment interests. And who has higher First Amendment interests in talking, yes, about a case like this, of which, he alleges, quite correctly, in my view, that he's being targeted because he is running for president. I mean, the idea that a district attorney could concoct these charges, haul a former president and leading presidential candidate into court, and then a court would bless that abuse by telling the candidate he can't talk about the biggest issue right now of the campaign. I just can't believe that would be allowed to happen. But, the fact we've gotten here shows that our justice system is terribly broken, and our governmental systems have been so abused in a way, that there's urgent need for repair. And, going to your last point there with Congressman Comer, Congress can't haul in Alvin Bragg soon enough to question him under oath about what he's doing here.
But, well, if Alvin Bragg doesn't want to appear, he says he's not going to appear before Congress. You can do anything about that?
Well, he can be, if he refuses to obey a subpoena, he can be found in contempt of Congress. Alvin Bragg also is not above the law, and we need to investigate the investigators here.
There's a poll, and it shows 47% of people think this indictment was indeed politically motivated. Okay, so he doesn't have the majority in his corner, right?
The poll numbers tend to kind of match up with the presidential numbers. Isn't that interesting? This is just politics. And the American people are responding to it as a political game, not as what I think what really it is an abuse of power. And I think if we had better leadership here in D.C. talking about it, and the media stopping, refusing to ratify this abuse, Americans of all stripes, Republicans and Democrats, would denounce this.
Got it. Tom Fitton, again, thanks very much for being with us. And it's a very important day, and you've got a lot of work to do. And we'll see you later. Tom Fitton, thank you very much.
We do.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.